Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna actually show you the arithmetic operators in Java. So first of all, I created an integer variable which is x, and it has the value of 3, and a float variable y with the value of 5. And then we're having the float result, which is gonna store the result of the arithmetic operation that we're gonna do. So the first arithmetic operation is the addition. So it's simply a plus. So variable x plus variable y. So in this case, 3 plus 5. So the result is going to be 8. Then we're having the subtraction, which is a minus sign. And then the multiplication, which is this asterisk sign right here. And a division, which is this forward slash right here. And we're having the modulus or the modulo operator, which is this percentage sign. And we're having the increment operator, which is the plus plus. So basically when I say x plus plus, this means that I'm gonna increment the value of x by 1 and store it in the variable x itself. So after running this line, the value of x is gonna be 4, and the decrement operator, which is actually minus minus, it just does the opposite of the plus plus operator. So it basically decrements the value of y and stores the new value in y. So after running this line, the value of y is going to be 4. So this is all what you need to know about the arithmetic operators in Java, and see you in the next tutorial.